In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,525 in commission just in 26 days promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube. For people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how you can create an affiliate account like this one, how you can use free traffic from YouTube to earn commission, and so much more. Okay, so I made this commission from the first day of May this month, okay, until the day 26th of May. Okay, I made $15,525. In this video, I will share everything that I'm using, the method that I'm using to make this commission from YouTube. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. From my experience, guys, and from my working with Fiverr affiliate marketing for almost like 5 years, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Why? Because they are really paying a lot of commission for those affiliate marketers who promote those services. Okay, they are really paying good commission. Okay, so just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. It will take just a few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to choose a good service now to promote on YouTube. So how you can choose a good and a profitable services that you will promote on YouTube? You will go to your YouTube homepage, open your YouTube homepage like this, okay? And what you will do next, you will click on the search and ask questions. So for example, you will ask how to make YouTube, and here you go. So since I will promote my affiliate links on YouTube, I will try to find services related to YouTube. Okay, so I will ask this question, how to make YouTube, and YouTube will give me a lot of topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. That's what people are searching for. People are searching for how to make YouTube channel, how to make YouTube banner, how to make YouTube shorts, how to make YouTube videos, how to make YouTube thumbnails. Okay, and did you guys know that YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors? You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, 31 billion visitors, that's really a big number, guys. 31 billion monthly visitors. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, okay, and YouTube is number two. Anyway, but you need to grow your YouTube channel, of course, but it's not hard. It's really easy. So just follow those steps. Let's take, for example, this topic, how to make YouTube thumbnails. I will go back to Fiverr, to my Fiverr homepage. I will click on the search. I will search for YouTube thumbnails, okay, like this. And here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews, level 1, level 2, top rated seller, and that's it. Why? If people click on your affiliate link, they will check this seller and you will check the feedback of his customers. That's why you need to choose good sellers. So I will choose, for example, I think this one is really looking good. This one, he has a lot of reviews. As you can see, he has almost 5 star. I will click on his service, and here you go. And as you can see, this seller has 7 orders in queue, and you can see how many YouTube thumbnail services this seller has sold. So people who are asking, it's not working, people will not buy those services. So which people will buy this service? Okay, why this seller has 7 orders in queue and a lot of reviews? And this is just one of those sellers, because we have, if we go back, you see how many reviews this one, over 1k reviews, over 1k people put this service from this seller. Like this one, over 1k, over 1k. Which people will buy this service? Of course, only people who has YouTube channels, people who taking YouTube seriously, and they want to grow their YouTube channels to get more views, more subscribers, and grow their YouTube channels. Okay, like those people who are searching for how to make YouTube thumbnails. Yes, I agree with you guys. A lot of people are just searching for how to make YouTube thumbnails for free. But in the other side, we have people who can buy those services, okay? Because those sellers are the proof, okay? Those sellers has reviews here, a lot of reviews, okay? That's why a lot of these, the business model is working and the people are buying these services, okay? Anyway, let's go back to our seller that we choose. We choose this seller, okay? So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link, copy his profile link like this, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, you have your dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what we will do next, we need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Before we do that, we need to go back to this seller profile page, click on his video. As you can see, the seller is showing his service for his customers, okay? As you can see, he's really making good thumbnails. Look at this. That's a really good service, okay? That's really amazing. This seller is providing good service. Look at this one. It's really amazing. So what you will do, double click on the video, click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop, okay? I will name it YouTube thumbnail, like this, save, okay? After you finish, go to Google, search for Canva, okay? Search for Canva like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process to Canva is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video. You will be directly in this page like this. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file. Okay. And go and choose your video about YouTube thumbnails. This is the video. Click on open. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account. Click on your video, and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background like this. Click on text. Scroll down. Choose which style of text you want to use. So for example, I will use this one. I will delete this part. Just click on your text and your text should be over here. I will decrease the font size of my text. I will put this text here. Double click on my text, okay, in your text like this, and write the sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description, okay? And make your text like this. Put your text here. Let's make this text, okay, like this. Go to element. It's not looking good like here. So that's why go to elements and scroll down, go to shapes and choose this one. Okay, and keep clicking, so let me show you. Keep clicking in your shape and put your this shape behind your text. Okay, like this. Okay, now it's looking good. We can click on color. Let's choose black color. Okay, looking good. Okay, now it's good. Let me see. Amazing. So people who will watch this video, they will see this service of this seller. They will see this. Check link in my description. They will check your YouTube description. What you will do, you will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Super easy. Okay. So what you will do next, click on share, click on download, and download this video to your YouTube, to your laptop. After you finish, go to your YouTube channel. Okay, guys, it's super easy to create a YouTube channel. It's gonna take just 1-2 minutes. Okay, so I don't need to do it. Because it's super easy. If you don't know how to do it, just go to YouTube, search for how to create a YouTube channel. It's super easy. Just need to use your email address, and that's it. Okay, open your YouTube channel, use this title, how to make YouTube thumbnails. You should, guys, your title should have the same keywords that people are using to search for this topic. The same keywords. Don't change or add anything from your head. Just use this, how to make YouTube thumbnails, and that's it. Go to your YouTube description, create this. In this video, I show you step by step how to make YouTube thumbnails. Okay, enter this title in your description, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here, or from here, it's the same. So let me explain this. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. It's have been almost like 5 years I'm doing this business. But for you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. You can copy your affiliate link from here, go to your YouTube description, put your affiliate link there, and that's it. Start using YouTube to promote your affiliate links, and you can really make a lot of money. It's, guys, the business model is clear. People are buying this service. If we go, this is the proof. What do you want me to show you that it's working? Okay, because I'm getting some stupid comments. It's not working. It's working, guys. Okay, people are buying these services. You can see how many. Why those? If people are not buying those services, why those sellers has a lot of reviews here, a lot of the feedback of those of their customers. Okay, let's check this one. I just want to show you guys because it's working. Okay, I will click on his thumbnail. Let me show you. And which people will buy this service? Look at this seller has 10 orders in queue. It's working. Let me show you. Let me see if we can find. Look at this. Just 2 days. This buyer, just 2 days he put this. He buy this YouTube thumbnail service from this seller. Okay, this is exactly what I asked for. He is satisfied. Okay, and he is really happy with this. Here is another one. Great work. Did what I asked and looks great. People are happy. People are buying the services. Those people are investing money to grow their YouTube channels, and that's it. You need to stay consistent. You need to promote a lot of services. You need to be patient. Okay, I'm getting a lot of course, I'm also getting a lot of message in my email, in my business email. A lot of people are really happy. They made commission with those methods that I already shared in my YouTube channel. I'm really happy, guys, to share to hear that. I'm really happy for you. Stay consistent, guys. Keep working hard. Never quit, and never be satisfied. If always do more, promote more services, do more research. Okay, you guys can see. Okay. Anyway, Go and promote those services related to YouTube. Grow your YouTube channel, promote a lot. YouTube is not limited. You can post as many as you can of videos on YouTube. There is no limit on YouTube, guys, and that's it. If you stay consistent, you can make money, a lot of money with this method. That's what I did. This is the method that I'm using. Also, guys, I'm working on a course about affiliate marketing that will cover everything. The course can be done in the next month. I give this course a lot of time to make it the best course ever about affiliate marketing that will help everyone from scratch. Even if you don't know anything about affiliate marketing, if you follow the methods inside my course, you can make a lot of commission using my course. Okay, I will try to make it done in the next month. Hopefully, I'm really making a lot of more research to add more new methods, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment if you want me to share with you how you can promote your affiliate links on Google for free, on Instagram Reels, on Instagram Message, on TikTok, and so much more. Leave a comment and I will make more videos for free.